In this guide, I'll show you how to download free games on your Nintendo Switch too. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down, and we're going to open up the Nintendo eShop. Now select the account you want to download it on, and give it a few seconds, and then you can scroll down to search on the left sidebar and scroll over. And then we're going to scroll down to where it says filtered search. So open this up, and where it says price range, we're going to change this from any, and you want to select free. Now after you've done this, you can scroll over and select search, and then just give it a few seconds, and now you can see all of the available content that's for free. So I'm going to scroll down here because I already know what I'm going to get. So once you find the game you want to download, I'm getting Fall Guys in this example, you can select it, and then scroll over and select free download. So just give it a couple seconds, and then you can scroll down again and select free download. And then it's just going to be a moment, and then it'll say thank you, and it'll now begin downloading. So you can press the home button on your controller, and then it'll give you this little rundown here where it says virtual game card added. So press OK, and you'll get this little animation. And once it says successfully loaded, you'll see the download will begin, and then you'll be able to play the game once it's finished. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.